I, Uma Agrawal, welcomes you on the topic of accounting concept. For this lecture, in our topic accounting concept, that it is an language and an art of recording, classifying, summarizing business transactions in a systematic manner to communicate persons like owner, creditor, banker, government, investors, etc. Accounting is not only associated with business but also with everybody who is interested in keeping an account of the monetary transactions. Some importance of accounting concept. One is reliable the financial statements, means financial statements are reliable. Uniformity is very necessary in the presentation of financial statements. Measurement is generally acceptable. Proper information mention. Valid and appropriate assumptions are also very necessary or important term or importance of the accounting concept. Some concepts which are very important. See one by one. Number one is business entity. Business and owner are different entity and every business is responsible to the owner up to the extent of capital supplied. So only business transactions are accounted and not the personal transactions of the owner. What do you mean by business entity? Means this concept implies that the business unit is separate and distinct from the owner to owners or persons to persons. It means only business transactions related with business transactions is presented or accounted. Clear this point from this example. If a whole building is rented, half is used as business office and half is resident of owner of the, so only 50% of the rent would be accounted for the use of business premises. Means only 50% of building which is used for the business purpose is only accounted. This is the business entity. Second point is money measurement. Only transactions which are expressed in terms of money are recorded in the books. For example, price of each assets of the business be recorded separately and then consolidatedly, like computer 1 lakh, table 50,000, chair 10,000, for better and distinct understanding. Means each and every transactions be recorded separately. The all transactions related with money be expressed separately or accounted separately. The third concept is cost concept. Recorded as cost at the time of purchase only and systematically reduced on charging depreciation. Means the cost, historical cost is only recorded. See the example, then you have to clear this point. If car is purchased for rupees 5 lakh, it be recorded as historic cost. And later on, if the value of the car depreciate, it not to be considered. Means the purchase price of the car only be recorded is known as cost concept. Next, consistency concept. In method of accounting throughout the tenure of business and improvements only of new techniques. For example, if a company adopts fixed installment method for charging depreciation, then it be continued till the life of the asset. Means only one policy adopted for accounting throughout the year. This is the consistency concept. Conservatism concept. While recording the business transaction to anticipate no profit but provide for all possible losses. Means play safe method of accounting where liabilities are overstated and assets are understated. For example, stock in the factory at cost price values of rupees 25,000 and market price is rupees 35,000, then only the lower price of the stock should be recorded. This is the conservatism concept. Means two prices are given in the example. One is the cost price and another is the market price. Whichever cost is lower, that should be recorded in the books of accounts. Next, going concept. It is the basis assumption that business is a going concern and will continue its operations for future. Cost of assets are recorded at purchase price and variations in value of assets for short period is ignored. This is the going concept. Next term is realization. Income is recorded in actual only when received or earned. Look at this clear the point from the example that if order for sale of goods of rupees 1 lakh in the month of May 2019 and goods worth rupees 60,000 is delivered in the month June 2019 and cash is received in the month of September 2019, then only actual sale of June 2019 be recorded. Mean order is of rupees 1 lakh but actual sale amount is 60,000. So only entry should be recorded of rupees 60,000. Means actual cash received only be recorded in the books of accounts. That is the realization concept. Accrual concept. Income recorded when actually earned and expenses recorded when actually payable. This is the accrual concept. Next is dual aspect. Dual aspect means every transaction has two effects, that is debit and credit. Means debit represent credit. It is a concept which recognizes that every debit has a corresponding equal credit. It means every transaction has twofold effects. In dual aspects, two parties are essential, that is purchaser and the seller. Means any transaction take place between two persons This is called dual aspect or twofold effects of every transactions. For example, Yash invested rupees 1 lakh to start a business. Business got 1 lakh as cash. So equally business has to pay business has the liability to pay Yash rupees 1 lakh. Means debit equals credit. That is the dual aspect concept. Disclosure concept means all accounts must disclose all material information. Means all material information to be disclosed honestly for full and fair information to the parties. Means for the parties or for the persons, all material information to be disclosed honestly for fair and full information. Next, materiality concept. The all financial statements and material items which influences the decision must be disclosed. Means all material financial statement and material items influences the decision which should be disclosed. That is the materiality concept. Matching concept. Revenues are matched with expenses incurred during the period. Only expenses related to accounting period are considered. Means in the accounting period which are the actual expenses, only that expenses are considered for that period. Adjustments are made for outstanding and prepaid should not be considered. This is the matching concept. Means only the expenses which are relating to accounting period are only considered is known as matching concept. So students, this is our the important topic of concepts of accounting concepts. This is over. So thank you.